Welcome to the in front of me Oppo Reno 7, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint here. I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner a couple of minutes ago, and after that just we'll see how fast this feature is. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the scanner recognizes my fingerprint really fast. So the fingerprint unlock method works good here. So I suggest you to try that. So just to unlock the device, not just simply touch the sensor. So you should just hold for a while the finger here on the sensor to unlock that. So, and you'll just successfully do this if you will just hold it for a while. And I suggest you to try that if you don't like, for example, some unlock methods like the passcodes or pin codes. You can try this, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the pin codes or passcodes here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.